This is the new Tata Signa, which I'm having the opportunity to be behind the wheel of, and it's quite an experience. The cabin of the Signa is something that is significantly different from the LP and LPT range in terms of refinement, in terms of aesthetics, in terms of ergonomics. This comes across as a much modern transformation of a legacy cabin, which has been the mainstay of the Tata Motors range, where every third truck on the road you could see today on the highway will be an LP or LPT cabin. So and again the movement towards fully built cabin trucks is something that is anticipated, and therefore the significance of this cabin, which has a modern dashboard, modern seat, a suspended modern seat here, which supports a good, comfortable driving posture, and surroundings which are nevertheless quite pleasant in the way one would want to spend no less than 8 hours behind the wheel. India is not a country where still regimes like in Europe, where they call for a break after every 4 years, has come in play, and therefore considerable time is spent with the truck by the driver and his co-passenger. So it makes for a significant change with the Signa cabin, and therefore it matters a lot. So the Signa cabin will go on 3 different types of trucks: the tractor, which is a prime mover, and it will go on the haulage truck, the rigid haulage truck. It will go on the tipper. So it will touch almost all of the mainstream products that Tata today has to offer, and something that are widely popular with the buyers. So there's an external change, an external facelift also, without losing the connectivity of the original design. So there's a lot of cost effective engineering that has gone into it. Something that could also be termed as frugal engineering. It's a typical high range and a low range shift, a 9-speed shift. It is an indication of how a truck driver lives a hardy life. Something that we all need to appreciate. He is a safe driver. Without him, we would probably not be wearing the kind of clothes that we get to wear, the kind of food we get to eat. So it is essential to understand his importance in the whole ecosystem. Something that has inspired Tata Motors to come out with a huge the racing initiative, the Prima T1 racing initiative. That's all about probably telling the audience of a role that a truck and its driver plays in the economy of the country. There's a very simple logic behind why one would want to drive, because there's a lot of technology that is coming in, a lot of modernization that is coming into driving into trucks and commercial vehicles per se. It's not just limited to some glamorous terms like hybrid or electric propulsion or alternate fuel propulsion. It's also about making life of all the stakeholders in the industry easy, about making life of the operators more productive, and it's about business. It's about use of technology to increase productivity and efficiency.